Hello everyone, my name is Chioma and welcome to my channel and the review video of Rapid Mobile Commissions. Rapid Mobile Commissions is an app produced by Bill Eng, Philip Johansson and Dan Can. So with Rapid Mobile Commissions, it teaches you how you can earn commissions using your mobile phones. And also you get free traffic and no tech skills required. Yes, this is what these guys are saying today, that with this app you'll be able to earn commissions. You don't even need a desktop, you don't need no technical skills at all. So guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details whilst also giving you a demo of how this product was. But do not forget to click on the bell icon down below for notifications, leave a comment and click the like, share, subscribe button, guys. And as usual, I've added some of my insane bonuses today. All you need to do to be able to have access to this my awesome bonuses is also to click on the link that is in the description box below. It brings you to this page right here. This is my sales page, and guys, these are the bonuses that I shall be adding today. So without further ado, let me quickly take you guys to the sales page. Let's see what these guys are saying. So this is Philip right here, and from the sales page they are saying, I'm gonna read this out. It says, are you feeling frustrated online and getting zero results? Complete newbies secretly banks $131 online every day without a computer, using free traffic and no website, and now is your turn. No experience, no tech skills, no email list, no desktop required. So these are like the features, also more like what I just read, features of this product. And guys, let me quickly take you to the steps that you need to deploy to get this app up and running. But before then, it says these are the 2 reasons why they call this Rapid Mobile Commission. So the first one is that it says that we like it fast, and then 100% duplicatable method. Yes, so this is what these guys are promising today. And here are the bonuses that they have added, guys. They added 5 awesome bonuses also. So with just the front end, if you're purchasing the front end today, guys, you will have access to 10 insane bonuses, 5 from me and 5 from Dan and Bill and Philip. So about the bonuses, the first one that they added is called the direct VIP support access to the creators. So basically you have access to those that put this app together. And then the second one is exclusive behind the scene look into how they made $43,000 in 7 days. And then the third one is free high ticket training that is worth $1,997. Then the fourth bonus is the unfair advantage in business and life custom training. And then the last bonus, the fifth that they have added, is called the instant approval to promote rapid mobile commissions. So guys, you have this awesome bonuses today. And remember, you also get 30-day money back guarantee. So if you purchase this right now and within 30 days results, you've not seen any results, you can hold them back and then you have your money refunded with no questions asked. So speaking of bonuses, guys, let me take you guys to mine that I promised I shall be sharing today. So the first one, of course, you have access to this tutorial that teaches you how you can make up to $100 within 24 hours. And then the second one is access to goodwill. The third bonus is high ticket hero. So pretty much all these bonuses that I'm adding today also will help you to boost your chances of making commissions money online. And then the fourth one is how you can use the Instagram influencers. And then the fifth one, of course, you have access to all the vendor bonuses, guys. Remember that all these bonuses that I've mentioned today, guys, you have access to all of them provided you are purchasing within this time frame, 3 days, because the clock is ticking. So if you buy within this 3 days, all the 10 bonuses shall automatically be added. And if you sign in through Warrior Plus, guys, all you need to do is to click on the blue button where it says access affiliate link, affiliate bonus, and then all the bonuses shall be added. If it's through JV Zoo, where the red arrow is, click on the box right there, and then you have access to all these bonuses, guys. And Now I have shown you the bonuses. Let me quickly show you guys the prices and the upsells. So about the front end, like I said earlier, which is $12.95, you have access to the software, the training modules, and also the 10 bonuses that I've mentioned. And then with the upsell one, guys, you have access, which is the pro version, is $27. So pretty much you get access to the advanced training, and then that will help you to convert up to 10 times higher. And then the second upsell, which is the done for you money makers, is $37. So pretty much it is a done for you setup system. So the campaigns and all that will pretty much be done for you. And then the third upsell, which is the traffic mastery, $67. So this is an all-in-one solution for your traffic needs. So Dan will teach you guys how you can leverage the hottest social media platforms to drive as much traffic as you want. And then the fourth upsell, which is the unlimited traffic, is $97. So this allows you to put your pixels on their sales page and have a digital email list. And then the fifth upsell, which is the reseller rights, what this offers is that you'll be able to sell those products and then you make commissions for yourself. Right. This is exactly what they are saying. So, and I've already mentioned some of the benefits that you'll be getting once you purchase this app, guys. Now, let me take you to the members area. Let's see how it looks like. So this is Philip right here. And then if you log in, this is the dashboard. This is the members area. And then click on the dashboard. This is from here you can log in and out. And these are the upgrades right here. Like I just mentioned now. The pro version, the done for you money makers, the traffic mastery, the unlimited traffic, and of course the reseller right. So from the options on the left hand side, you have access to the training. So this is more like a congratulatory message from Philip and Dan. And then about the intro, you get it. This is by Bill. And of course you see the overview, the tools required. So let's just take a listen to the overview.
What is going on, guys? Now welcome to this overview of Rapid Mobile Commission. So in this video I'm just going to give you guys a quick overview of how this whole entire strategy works and what you guys can expect from the videos below this whole entire trading course. Alright, so basically, we will just teach you on how to get traffic. So let me just draw a segment real quick. So this will represent traffic source. Alright, get traffic source. Oopsie. Alright, traffic source. Part of my handwriting is not the best when you're writing on a mouse. Alright, traffic source now. Then we'll teach you guys on how to grab traffic to your product, alright? Or not really your product, but rather your videos. Is here. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oopsie. Not the best one. So yeah, so this video, alright, you do not, let me just repeat, you do not need to show your face. Do not show face. Oops, I should probably put here. There we go. Yeah, you do not show face. You do not need to. If you need to, we will teach you on how you guys can show your face. But there's a option where you guys don't need to show your face. Pretty easy stuff. You guys can get through it as well. Alright. Then you will bring them, right? So the traffic source that will watch your video, you guys will put your own bonus page link in the description here. Then they will go to a bonus page. Boom. Alright. Bonus page, which we will teach you on how to create your own bonus page for free, and it has proven to work for us. Hence, we are showing you guys this free strategy, so you guys don't have to pay for ClickFunnels, Commission Gorilla, and the other bonus page that you may come across. If you guys have your own bonus page already, that would be great. If you guys do not, and you guys are completely new, this free strategy will work for you guys as well. And inside your bonus page is where you guys will have bonuses to use, and you guys can put your own affiliate link. And when your traffic source, your audience likes what you guys are sharing with them, they'll click onto your link, they'll go to the sales page, SP basically means sales page. Alright, let me draw roughly. It's gonna be like this: headline, video, and some scribbles, and there'll be a buy button somewhere along these lines. Right now, and at this stage, okay, when they like it, they press buy. Right, in turn, you, when they press buy, when traffic, right? So basically, this entire link, this entire arrow, is where they will go through this entire process automatically, and when they press buy, you make commissions. All right. Now, do not worry about the details. It will be taught in depth later on in this entire course. So this is just a quick overview for you guys on how you guys can expect to make commissions with this strategy. So we'll tap onto this highly populated traffic source. You'll go into your video, which you do not need to show your face if you don't want to. If you want to, it is completely fine as well, even better in fact. But if you guys are more shy, this strategy involves a way that you guys do not need to show your face. Then it will bring your audience to the bonus page that we will teach you on how to create for free. Now this works even if you have a paid bonus page like ClickFunnels or Commercial Gorilla. If you guys do not have it, do not worry. We have a free strategy to teach you guys. Then it will bring them over to the sales page because you guys will have your affiliate link. You just put here, right? Your affiliate link. Your affiliate link inside this bonus page. Bring them over to the sales page, and this is the visual that you will want to see. Traffic from this hidden pool of traffic source, namely YouTube. Bring them over this whole process automatically. When they press purchase, you make commissions. This is yours. Alright, this is yours. Alright, so this is just a quick overview of how rapid mobile commissions can work.
Okay guys, now I have shown you have heard from one of the producers of this app, Bill Eng, and basically like he just said, you have access to all the trainings right here. You can see the tools that is required for Android, for iOS and all that. You find offers and many more. So you can click on this one right here where it says extra bonus, and then you have the extra bonus, which is I believe is a tutorial that teaches you how to make over $500 per YouTube video. Right. So guys, that is it from me to you today. I believe I have shown you everything. I've shown you the features of this product. I have shown you the bonuses that they've added. I've shown you the prices and the upsells, and now this is just the members area. This is what you see once you log in. And I thank you guys so much for sticking with me. Thank you for watching my videos, for sharing them, and for leaving a comment. And remember guys, if this sounds like something you like, do not forget to click on the link that is in the description box below, because it will take you to my sales page. And also, if you know someone that this product will be of help to, do not forget to share. I'll see you guys in my next video. You stay safe and have a blessed day. Bye.